Skip to content. Home technology, shop, gift card, balance, forum technology, vehicles, electric and electronics, mechanical technology, computer hardware, network, phone, other. Home, S25 Pro, remote-controlled drone with camera. Brushless quadcopter for beginners. S25 Pro, remote-controlled drone with camera. Brushless quadcopter for beginners. New, S25 Pro, brushless aerial photography quadcopter. Obstacle avoidance, remote-controlled drone for beginners. If you're on the hunt for a high-performance yet beginner-friendly remote-controlled drone, the S25 Pro brushless aerial photography quadcopter is a game-changer. Packed with smart features like obstacle avoidance, dual cameras, foldable design, and intuitive controls, this drone is crafted to provide an exceptional flying experience, whether you're just starting out or leveling up your aerial photography game. Made by the trusted brand Reoiler, the S25 Pro remote control drone combines innovative design with top-tier performance, making it a great fit for enthusiasts, hobbyists, and even those exploring aerial photography for content creation or personal fun. Perfect for beginners, remote control drone, fly with confidence. The S25 Pro is classified as a beginner drone, meaning it's designed to be easy to fly without compromising on features. Thanks to its intelligent G-sensor, one-key takeoff landing, and responsive remote control drone, even first-time pilots can get the hang of flying in just minutes. With its app control feature, you can also fly the drone directly from your smartphone, giving you added convenience and a live view from the sky. Capture breathtaking aerial shots with dual cameras. One of the standout features of the S25 Pro remote control drone is its dual camera system, allowing you to capture wide-angle footage from different angles. Whether you're recording scenic landscapes, capturing group shots, or exploring your surroundings from a bird's-eye view, this mini drone camera delivers sharp, clear imagery that's perfect for both personal and professional use. The front camera is ideal for forward-facing HD recording, while the bottom camera helps with stability and vertical shots, perfect for smooth takeoff, landing, and downward views. Extended flight time and long-distance transmission. The drone is powered by a robust 7.4-volt, 2,000 mAh battery, giving you a generous 10 to 20 minutes of flight time per charge. This allows for extended shooting sessions and uninterrupted fun, especially when paired with extra batteries, sold separately. Plus, with an image transmission distance of up to 1 kilometer, the S25 Pro gives you the freedom to explore further while still maintaining a real-time visual connection through the app. Whether you're in a park, on the beach, or exploring a forest trail, this drone gives you room to roam. Advanced Obstacle Avoidance Technology Remote Control Drone. One of the biggest concerns for beginner drone users is crashing into trees, walls, or other obstacles. The S25 Pro eliminates this worry with its obstacle avoidance technology, ensuring safer and more reliable flights. The drone senses obstacles in its path and automatically adjusts its flight to avoid collisions, ideal for both indoor and outdoor flying. This smart feature not only adds to the longevity of your drone, but also boosts your confidence as a new pilot. Brushless motors, power meets durability. Unlike traditional toy drones that use brushed motors, the S25 Pro is equipped with brushless motors, which are quieter, more powerful, and longer lasting. These motors provide better stability and faster response times, making your flight smoother and your controls more precise. Whether you're capturing fast-moving shots or flying in windy conditions, brushless motors give you the performance edge. Foldable, lightweight, and travel-friendly. Portability is a major plus for drone users who want to capture stunning footage on the go. The S25 Pro features a foldable design, making it compact and easy to carry in a backpack or travel bag. Weighing just enough to feel sturdy, yet light enough for everyday use, this drone is perfect for hiking trips, vacations, or spontaneous adventures. The body is made from high-quality aluminum alloy, giving it a solid, premium feel while staying lightweight and durable. Stylish design with LED lights. Night flying? No problem. The S25 Pro comes equipped with bright LED lights, adding both style and visibility during low-light conditions. Not only do the lights help with orientation and direction, but they also make night flights safer and more exciting. Whether you're flying in the early morning or capturing golden hour scenes at sunset, the LED lights enhance both aesthetics and usability. Full feature list at a glance. Drone type, beginner drones. Operator skill level, beginner friendly. Maximum flight time, 10 to 20 minutes. Camera, dual HD cameras, front and bottom. Control type, remote plus app control. Image transmission distance, up to 1 kilometer. Battery, 7.4 volts, 2000 milliamp hours, rechargeable. Material, durable aluminum/alloy. Flight functions. Obstacle avoidance. One-key takeoff landing. Foldable arms. G-sensor control. LED lights. Place of origin, Guangdong, China. Brand, Ryle. Private mold, no. Why choose the S25 Pro remote control drone? The S25 Pro is more than just a toy, it's a complete aerial experience. Designed for simplicity, packed with smart features, and built with quality materials, this drone offers incredible value for its price. Whether you're enjoying recreational flights, capturing content for social platforms, or discovering the world from a new perspective, the S25 Pro delivers on all fronts. With its easy-to-use controls, advanced safety features, and high-quality camera, it's no wonder this drone is quickly becoming a favorite among beginners and enthusiasts alike. Ready for takeoff? If you're searching for a reliable, fun, and feature-rich remote control drone, the S25 Pro Brushless Aerial Photography Quadcopter is an excellent choice. Affordable, beginner-friendly, and powerful enough to satisfy tech lovers, it's time to elevate your drone experience to new heights. New S25 Pro Brushless Aerial Photography Quadcopter Obstacle Avoidance Remote Control Aircraft Foreign Trade Toy Hot Selling. S25 Pro Brushless Remote Control Drone with HD Camera, Obstacle Avoidance, and Stable Flight. Ideal for aerial photography, beginner-friendly, and perfect for global wholesale and OEM orders. Discover the new S25 Pro Brushless Aerial Photography Quadcopter, a powerful remote control drone with obstacle avoidance, ideal for beginners and pros, perfect for stunning shots and smooth flights. Share this story, choose your platform, about the author, admin-related posts, technology shopping, electronics, camera, fashion watch gift, technology vehicles, electric and electronics, mechanical technology, phone, computer, hardware, software, network, other. Recent posts. AI in 2025, exploring janitor AI, character AI, and poly AI for smarter conversations. Download Google TV app, the TV app download for smart TV. S25 Pro remote control drone with camera, brushless quadcopter for beginners. How to get your hands on the Nigel Sylvester Air Jordan basketball shoes, men Jordan shoes, Jordan 4 brick by brick, brick by brick. Tesla Model Y, Tesla stock, and the future of EVs under Trump. Tags. Retail Get is your go-to platform for tech enthusiasts and marketers, offering expert insights, affiliate marketing tips, and smart deals. Discover articles, tools, and opportunities to learn, shop, and earn, all in one place. AI in 2025, exploring janitor AI, character AI, and poly AI for smarter conversations. Download Google TV app, the TV app download for smart TV. S25 Pro remote control drone with camera, brushless quadcopter for beginners. AI in 2025. Exploring janitor AI, character AI, and poly AI for smarter conversations. Download Google TV app, the TV app download for smart TV. S25 Pro remote control drone with camera, brushless quadcopter for beginners. Our services about privacy policy contact. Page load link. Go to top.